Let me tell you how you can add subtitles in many different languages. For that, you have to head over to this website and click on Get Started for free and sign up with your email account. After sign up, you will see 3 options. First one is transcription. I have already made a video on that. Click on the I button to see the full video. Second one is subtitle. And the last one is translated subtitles, and today we are looking for that one. Now you can simply upload your file, or you can just paste a YouTube video link or Google Drive link. I'm pasting my YouTube video link. Then, select the language spoken in the video and the desired language in which you want to translate. You can select multiple languages too. Now select Machine Generated and hit the Create button. And within a minute, translation will be done. You can play the video and see the live translated subtitles along with the original subtitles. And finally you can download it as subtitles or video with subtitles. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe for more such amazing videos.